नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। Today I'll expand on how these four tattvas can be lived continuously. How the Kundalini awakening in these four principles can be strengthened. Please listen. Your Kundalini Shakti is not disconnected from your thoughts and actions. Only one thought can trigger your Kundalini and awaken, or make it shrink and coil back. Only one less thought, already your body is ready. Understand? Only one less thought, already your body is ready. Your thought and your actions and your brain, your words, all this is directly connected to the bioenergy. Your bioenergy is directly connected to it. So don't think the moment I utter the word Kundalini, it is there somewhere and at somebody, some point, some method, some technique, someday it may be awakened, it may not be awakened. Now it has nothing to do with my day-to-day life from now or this day. No. You are seeing me because of your Kundalini energy. You are perceiving the breeze on your skin through your skin because of Kundalini energy. You are listening to this sound because of Kundalini energy. You are processing this sound because of Kundalini energy. Listen. So, when you alter the way you think, respond, speak now, your Kundalini can be awakened. Your Kundalini energy can be altered. You can awaken your Kundalini energy before the end of this satsang. You can experience Kundalini awakening before the end of this satsang. Listen. Even if you sit and listen intensely, Kundalini can be awakened now. Even now, if you sit and listen sincerely, intensely, Kundalini can be awakened now. Every thought you create, maintain, cognize as a direct effect on your bioenergy. If you cognize and encourage a lustful thought, immediately it will have its own effect on the body and mind. If you cognize and react to a spiritual thought, immediately the body and mind will have its own effect on it. If you cognize and react to the thought of integrity and authenticity, immediately your bioenergy, your kundalini energy will have effect on it, will have impact on it. Please listen. The constant tiredness and fatigue you carry, please understand, when you start practicing authenticity, the first wall you face, either you can make the wall as stopping stone or stepping stone. The first wall you are going to face is tiredness and laziness. Tiredness, laziness and boredom. That is what will be the first enemy for your authenticity. When you are trying to expand your experience about you and others' experience about you, tiredness, boredom, fatigue will be the first thing stopping you. Listen, I'll give you one example. In the office, if you are not authentic, you can leave the office by evening 5 o'clock. But if you want to practice authenticity, you may have to do little more work to make everything authentic. It may take 1 more hour. When you decide to be authentic, what is going to stop you fast? The boredom. After 5 o'clock, I cannot sit in office. It is too much. I am too tired. I am bored of the same sick fellows. I am bored, tired, I feel lazy. Listen. Even once if you decide, no, I am going to be authentic, I'll break this laziness, tiredness, boredom pattern. Even one decision you make in the line of authenticity, your kundalini opens up. Your kundalini is awakened. The moment I utter the word kundalini, all of us think we have to do something very secretly, sitting inside some dark cave, some mantra, meditation, some practices. You have to go to a place, to a remote Himalayas, to some guru and learn some mantras which he will whisper in your ears, which you may understand of and may not understand of. And you may have to collect different skull, herb, and sit on that and start chanting in the Amavasya midnight. Only then Kundalini will be awakened. No, no. Your Kundalini can be awakened in your office, through your office work. Every single decision you make based on authenticity, your Kundalini is awakened. ध्यान से सुनिए. Every single decision you take based on authenticity to break your laziness, tiredness, boredom. See, the moment you decide to break and make the decision. See, in your own muscle memory and bio memory, so much energy will be flooded. You will feel certain joy, and you will feel, yes, I am going to do it. That joy is Ananda of Satchitananda. That energy is Chit of Satchitananda. The courage is Sat of Satchitananda. Understand, Satchitananda is not somewhere you will experience after you are almost about to die or after death. No. In your everyday decision, Satchitananda can be experienced. To make Satchitananda as Nitya Ananda, Nityananda has happened. ध्यान दीजिए, आपकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति के कारण ही आप देख रहे हैं, कुंडलिनी शक्ति के कारण ही आप मुझे सुन रहे हैं। सुनिए, अगर इसी वक्त आपने बात करने का तरीका और सुनने का तरीका परिवर्तित करने की निर्णय लेते हैं, तो आप अपनी कुंडलिनी शक्ति को इसी वक्त जागृत कर सकते हैं। जब आप संपूर्ति एवं श्रद्धा से स्वयं के बारे में, स्वयं का अनुभव एवं स्वयं के बारे में अन्य लोगों का अनुभव को परिवर्तित करने का प्रयास करने लगते हैं, तब पहली दीवार जो आपके रास्ते में आएगी वह है थकावट और बुरियात। अगर उस समय आप श्रद्धा से उस थकावट और बोरियत को विनाश करने का निर्णय लेंगे, तब उसी क्षण आपका कुंडलिनी शक्ति जागृत हो जाती है। केवल एक विचार आपकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति को जागृत कर सकता है या फिर उसे सुप्त अवस्था में डाल सकता है। एक उदाहरण जैसे केवल एक ही वासना से बड़े विचार से आपका शरीर उस पर प्रतिक्रिया करने के लिए तैयार हो जाता है। आपके विचार, कार्य, मस्तिष्क, शब्द सभी आपकी जीव ऊर्जा से सीधे रूप से जुड़े हुए हैं। यदि आप केवल एक बार यह निर्णय करेंगे कि मैं अपने इस कार्य में श्रद्धा लाऊंगा, आपकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति जागृत हो जाती है। Listen. This is the basic truth you need to understand. Listen. unless you start awakening your Kundalini now, every day, in your day-to-day life, the possibility does not exist. Possibility does not exist. Either it is now or never, because when you start believing, it will happen after some time, after some time, after some time. That belief itself becomes like a lacquer coating on you. You never will be able to touch the time, present moment now, experience zone now. Please listen. Person who is thinking about the future, his eyes will not be seeing the present, even if his eyes are open. There will not be connection between his eyes and he. How many of you cognize what I am saying? Same way, exactly the same way, if you start believing Kundalini awakening can happen only after some time, it can happen after some time, please understand that belief itself will become an obstruction between you and the Kundalini awakening. That is one of the worst danger. You need to break that negative belief with integrity, with the right commitments. If you are committed with you again and again, Kundalini and all will not awaken for me. It may happen after 20 years, after 30 years of practice. Not for me. It is all maybe for the sannyasi seekers who are evolved souls, not for me. It will take years. It may happen if I do this. If you have all these beliefs, that itself becomes a negative commitment you gave it to you. Because of that very negative commitment, it does not happen in you. In the young age, I used to have a strong feeling. These miracle powers will come only if you meditate without moving from a place for 12 years. Now I had this strong belief. I have to sit 12 years without moving, and my hair has to grow and enter into the ground like a banyan tree root. Only even when I want to get up, I will not be able to get up because my hair is already gone into the ground, rooted. Only then I will have siddhis. This belief has become such a negative commitment to me. I delayed me achieving Ashtama Siddhis. Maybe I can say me expressing Ashtama Siddhis. There is nothing like achieving. It was there already by birth. Expressing Ashtama Siddhis. Delay has happened just because of my own negative commitments. You also see in your life to be a leader, to be a Siddha, to be a Mahapurusha, to be a Jnani, you may be giving a lot of negative commitments to you. You might have given a lot of negative commitments to you. How can I have Vaksiddhi? Swamiji can have. How can I have? I will have maybe after 20 years when I am old, or next Janma. Even these thoughts become negative commitment in you. How many of you are getting it? How many of you feel, oh God, I have so many negative commitments given to me? Raise your hand. Sit and complete with all of that. You have to restore your integrity, completing with all those negative commitments. Only then Kundalini awakening will start happening now, and it is possible now. ध्यान से सुनिए, जब तक आप अपने कुंडलिनी शक्ति को अभी जागृत नहीं करेंगे तो भविष्य में आपकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति को जागृत करने की संभावना नहीं रहेगी, नहीं रहेगी। आप अपने कुंडलिनी शक्ति को केवल अभी जागृत कर सकते हैं, वरना कभी नहीं कर सकते हैं। जब आप ये विश्वास करने लगते हैं कि आपकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति जागरण अभी नहीं किंतु थोड़े समय बाद ही हो सकती है, तो आपको कुंडलिनी शक्ति का अनुभव नहीं हो सकता है। यह नकारात्मक विचार कुंडलिनी शक्ति को जागृत नहीं होने देती है। You have to awaken now. You can awaken now. आप अपने कुंडलिनी शक्ति को केवल अभी जागृत कर सकते हैं, वरना कभी नहीं कर सकते हैं। केवल अभी जागृत कर सकते हैं। Your every action can awaken your Kundalini. Your every action can become part of Kundalini. ध्यान से सुनिए, प्लीज लिसन। आपका अंडरस्टैंड कंप्लीटली। Even now, your decision to sit straight and listen with authenticity can awaken your Kundalini, or your decision to just fall asleep can shrink your Kundalini. आपका हर कार्य आपकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति को जागृत कर सकता है। और आपके हर कार्य में आपकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति उपस्थित हो सकती है। Listen. Listen. Every time you bring an authentic decision, your Kundalini is awakened. Every time your Kundalini is awakened, you are raising yourself to the next level of authenticity. You can see in your everyday life, every day in your office, in your relationships, if your spouse is shouting at you, wife or husband is screaming, shouting at you, screaming at you, you decide, I will raise my authenticity level. Now I will not shout back or react. I will respond with integrity and responsibility. Even one decision awakens your Kundalini. Awakens your Kundalini. जब भी आप श्रद्धा के साथ कोई भी निर्णय लेते हैं, तब आपकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति और ऊंची स्तर पर जागृत हो जाती है. Every single moment, when you wake up in the early morning, the awareness you bring it to you awakens your Kundalini, or can put your Kundalini to sleep. When you listen, the awareness you bring it to your ears can awaken your Kundalini, or can put your Kundalini to sleep. When you read, the awareness you bring it to reading, your eyes can awaken your Kundalini, or can put your Kundalini to sleep. When you think, the integrity you bring it to your thinking can awaken your Kundalini, or can put your Kundalini to sleep. It is unfortunate sometimes you give up on you. You say, no, I cannot raise myself to the next level. When you give up on you, you are dead. Dead. Giving up on you is the worst thing can happen to you, especially due to the patterns. Laziness. When you decide, you give up on you, you are patita, fallen, dead one. If you live these principles, even if you leave the body, you continue to radiate, inspire millions, you continue to exist. If not, even while you are alive, you are dead. हर सवेरी जब आप उठते हैं, जो जागरूकता आप लाते हैं, ओह, आपकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति को जागृत कर सकती है या उसे सोने की अवस्था में डाल सकती है. पुनः सुनिए, जब आप हर सुबह जागते हैं, केवल अपनी जागरूकता द्वारा अपने कुंडलिनी शक्ति को जागृत कर सकते हैं और उसके बिना अपनी कुंडलिनी शक्ति को सोने की अवस्था में डाल सकते हैं। जब आप संपूर्ति के साथ सोचते हैं, तब आपकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति को जागृत कर सकते हैं। और जब भी आप ऐसा नहीं करते हैं, तब आप अपनी कुंडलिनी शक्ति को सोने की अवस्था में डाल सकते हैं। Listen. Whether you practice authenticity or integrity, the moment you start practicing, Kundalini is awakened. Your Kundalini is awakened. Listen, the moment you start practicing, your Kundalini is awakened. It is so unfortunate. It is so unfortunate. You have the wrong beliefs about Kundalini awakening. You should complete with all of that. Start awakening your Kundalini now. जिस क्षण आप श्रद्धा एवं संपूर्ति को अभ्यास करने लगते हैं, उसी क्षण आपकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति जागृत हो जाती है। Whenever you allow your inauthenticity, you shrink the Kundalini. Every time when you become authentic, your Kundalini gets awakened. Every time when you become authentic, your Kundalini gets awakened. जिस क्षण आप श्रद्धा एवं संपूर्ति को अभ्यास करने लगते हैं, उसी क्षण आपकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति जागृत हो जाती है। जब भी आप श्रद्धा में, ध्यान से सुनिए, जब भी आप अश्रद्धा में रहते हैं, आपकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति संकुचित हो जाती है। और हर बार जब आप श्रद्धा में रहते हैं, तब आपकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति जागृत हो जाती है। Thousands of people come and ask me, Swamiji, I was suffering for years with this disease, that pain. The moment you put your hand, it disappeared. How can it be? Just few days before, one of my ashramites was suffering with whole body pain. All I did, just sent this kerchief. In 10 minutes, she became all right. People ask me how it is possible. Listen. When you practice integrity and authenticity, your Kundalini energy is so alive and awakened. It radiates and fills anything you touch. Sometimes people ask, then why you are suffering with the cough? No, I tell you, there is a truth. I took up the wrong pattern of Raman Maharshi and Ramakrishna of not healing their own body. But now I decided I am going to drop even that pattern. I am going to heal the body. Because the body is required to enrich others. You will see now how the body will be healed. Simply it will be healed. Just yesterday I was cognizing what is going on. Why? Because it has become too much. This cough has become too much. Doesn't allow me to sleep, and I was thinking, oh God, what is going on? As a playful way, I allowed, all right, stay 1 or 2 days, you also in the body and have the darshan and prasadam and go. And this fellow is not leaving. Then I looked in. I saw this is the idea. Because of them, I was also just living casually. Now I decided to break that pattern. I declare, body is healed. That's it. You will see now, it will be healed. You should know your life is your life. You are the owner, you are responsible, you are the experiencer. You are everything. You are the organizer, you are the conductor, you are the owner, you are everything for your life. Take the responsibility for your life and bring authenticity to your life. That's all is the essence of my today's satsang.